You say Krishna's in everyone's heart. That's the ontological truth. That's the tattva, Paramatma. But it's easier to access Krishna from the
The heart
devote.
is pure, transparent. So directly Krishna can communicate.
Yeah, that's what they say. So our experience when we meet sadhus and saintly people, and we always go with questions. Many people come and just listen to sadhus, but we always have thousands of questions and thousands of. This is notebook from 2018. This is 2016. This is 2015. There's 30, 40 more notebooks in there in the trunk. This notebook and that notebook and thousands of notes, but I don't know what's going on. Still, I don't know anything. So what we found is that when we're with the genuine saintly people, and we're asking our questions and recording their answers and whatnot, and we leave, we feel like we're flying in the sky. I feel like so elevated, so amazing experience. I don't know what your experience is, but I live for those. Those memories are what's sustaining me. You know? Either you meet everyday sadhus as much as possible, or when you have met them, you remember them, and then that comes.
Because their existence is chintamani. They are having chintamani body.
Yeah, if you remember them, they remember you.
Yes.
Krishna says the same thing, Gita 4:11. Ye tamam prapadyante tam satai. You think of me, I think of you. You're busy? Okay, you're busy in Maya, I'm busy also. You're busy in Maya, I'm busy in Yoga Maya. Krishna says, you have your Maya, I have my Maya. Radharani's my Maya. She's my Krishna Mai. Radharani is Krishna Mai. Yoga Maya, we want that Maya. We want the seva that Krishna Mai Radharani. This is, people don't know the value or power of the sadhus. It's bhagya also. I know devotees, they live in Vrindavan so many years. Very good devotees, very steady devotees, and very good devotees, genuine bhaktas. But they never met any sadhus. They never met any saintly people. They don't feel any need. They feel, okay, I'm fine. There's such fortune at the feet of the sadhus.